ndinotori nemufaro wakanyanyisa nokuti tiri kutotarisira zvakanyanya kuti rodhi ikangopera iyoyi tine mufaro wakanyanya makastoma edu anenge abuya nokuti rodhi yedu yanaka zvokuti aiwa wamutakunanzwa chaivo.
Between 1992 and 1998, at the confluence of Simon Mazorodze, Chitungwiza, and Highland roads, over 100 accidents were recorded. The council devised a plan to put a traffic section. This resulted in the construction of the traffic circle that later became known as the Mbudzi roundabout. After some years, the Mbudzi roundabout outlived its purpose, and its design could no longer handle the ever-increasing volume of traffic in Harare. It became a symbol of inefficiency and a major hurdle to progress. And in 2021, the government of Zimbabwe launched an ambitious project to replace the roundabout with a modern traffic interchange.
Right, today I am at Mbudzi Interchange, which was popularly known as Mbudzi roundabout.
This site holds not only logistical importance but historical significance for locals, being a central point connecting several residential areas and business hubs. Let's take a closer look at what's happening on the ground. This massive undertaking involves heavy-duty machinery, highly skilled engineers and laborers working around the clock to bring this project to life. This project includes the construction of multiple flyovers, pedestrian walkways, and improved drainage system to ensure all-weather usability. The interchange isn't just about roads, it's about people. By reducing travel time, it's making life easier for thousands of commuters, truck drivers, and local businesses. Vendors who depend on quick transportation of goods are excited about the possibility this project will unlock. While construction has caused temporary inconveniences, locals understand that this project will bring long-term benefits.
Panga parinani paitengesawo tichitoitawo mari zvinani.
Konye traffic yanga yamira sei?
Traffic yanga iripo zvayo. Yanga iripo yakanyanyisa.
Saka izvezvi muri kuona sei madevelopments aapesova?
Izvezvi zvaanani zvazvo patraffic. Zvaanani asi isusu tine chichemo chedu chemukombedzi kuti raunda yacho ngaichipera tiushandewo. Ndozve zvinotisemba kutosvika hatisi kutomboita mari. Pakutarisa kwedu sevanhu tikutarisira kuti zvichanaka. Nokuti rodhi yedu yanaka zvokuti aiwa wamutakunanzwa chaivo.
Saka are you happy mama?
Ndinofara ini ndakatanga zvangu muna October uko. Asi panguva yandatanga iyoyi ndinotori nemufaro wakanyanyisa nokuti tiri kutotarisira zvakanyanya kuti rodhi ikangopera iyoyi tine mufaro wakanyanya makastoma edu anenge abuya.
Mimi motengesa chiya?
Yembe.
Thank you so much. All right.
No larger scale project comes without its challenges. Here, workers and government had to deal with issues like relocating a resident, compensation, some interruptions for businesses, and managing unforeseeable weather delays.
Tatamboti dzokere kumashure kuti tipedze chivakwa chino nekuti mukada kuona mine misha iri mukati muri kuvakwa. Asi hataikwanisa kungonopaza dzimba dzevanhu tisati tayananisana navo ungave muripo wekuti munhu awane mari yake nekuti hurumende inoteererawo zvichemo zvevanhu kuti munhu ane chivakwa chake haangobvutirwa anobva apiwa mari dzake dzinoenderana nechivakwa chake.
Despite these hurdles, the project remains on track, a testament to hard work and dedication to everyone involved.
This is project that has been given to local companies. They are Zimbabwean companies, and these are the companies that are doing huge projects in the country, and we are happy that they are doing well at this interchange.
Once completed, the Mbudzi Interchange is expected to transform Harare into a more connected city, attracting more investment and boosting the economy. This project is paving the way for similar development across Zimbabwe, signaling a brighter future for infrastructure nationwide. It will also contribute to reducing road accident and fatalities, enhancing overall road traffic in the economy. As we stand here together, it's clear that Mbudzi Interchange is more than just a road. It's a promise of progress, a promise of convenience.
These machines that are operating there, some of the bridges that are being constructed there. This is so impressive, and we are happy as people that this is a project that is being run by Zimbabweans, and something so made me feel good that people of Zimbabwe have got capacity to do these projects. Local engineers, as we can see that in different countries, it's our local people who are going there and working and bringing better development in those countries. So we are happy if these people are working for their own country. They are doing well. As you can see the level of development that is being done here, we're expecting an improvement and a rise in business activities around, because it will be a center of attraction for people around this area. And also I believe also the value of the land that is around this area will increase, because this interchange will bring a huge development to this area. As I can see, after this development, people who own land here will smile, and also to do business around this interchange will be something else in Zimbabwe. This trainway that have been created here, so the engineers are doing their work here. They've also taken into consideration people who walk here, so it's not only for motorists, but also for pedestrians to use after completion also.